guys, welcome back. So I'm very excited. It is a pretty early morning. I've been driving for a little bit, but today is the track day, so I couldn't be more stoked. I am getting back out after a 7-month break. Yeah, thanks Corona. But I finally get to drive again, so I'm very excited. We're going out to Buttonwillow today. We're like a good majority of the way there now, so we took a quick pit stop and are headed the rest of the way there. I'm super excited. The X5's doing great, and yeah, I'm excited to get back on the track already. So. Alrighty, so I think we're wrapping it up for the day. The F56 got a miss on cylinder number 2. Turned the car off and on, and it seems to have gone away. But calling it for the day for the fact that we also seemingly have blown the lower motor mount as well as possibly the trans mount. So some work needs to be done, but it's just maintenance stuff. The car has 70,000 miles and like 50 race hours, so I can't be upset. So with that being said, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys very soon to repair this car. Peace out.